Hey guys, welcome. Today we're going to learn how I made coasters. We can start this project by cut all of this old joinery out because this is in my way.
There are three main methods.
The first one and the simplest one with hand plane. The second one with the edge guide of the circular saw and the CVT. The third method with the router. I want to do one coaster with epoxy heart in the middle, so this is a good time to cut this epoxy heart. Now to cut trim on all of the coasters. For all the trim work and descending, I found the best way to secure your workpiece is with double-sided tape. Ascending. I go with the epoxy to 1200 degrees wet sanding. This has made the epoxy really clear. There is a lot of sanding in this project, just be prepared. Now finish the best part of every project. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell and I will see you next time.